Hello students, once again welcome you all to my grammar class. Last class I started voice change and taught you some basics of voice change, and we'll continue from where we left. Hope you will find it easy and enjoy doing it. Serial wise, first we will do simple present, then we'll present continuous, then perfect, then we'll come to past, then come to future. Okay, in simple present tense, you can write this: active part, structure and passive structure. Subject plus V1. In active it is subject plus V1 plus object. Okay, take the example. We will continue with the same example and go on down the lines for various tenses. Okay, I play cricket. See, here I is the subject, play is V1, cricket is the object. Now the structure to change to passive is new subject plus is MR. That means out of is MR you have to take any one according to the subject. Is MR plus V3 plus Y plus new object. You don't get confused, so that's why I have written new subject and new object. Here I have written subject and object, and here I have written new subject and new object, and I will tell you what is that new subject and new object. The subject and object of the active voice will interchange with passive voice. That means the subject of the active voice will become object, and object of the active voice will become subject. Understand? This is the most important thing. Subject becomes object in passive, and object becomes subject in passive. Okay. Apart from that, some changes takes place, like the changes in pronouns. Remember pronouns like I becomes me, we become us, he become him, she become her, they become them, it will be it. Then any noun, the noun will remain same. But if the pronoun is there in place of the subject, so these changes will take place. I will become me, we will become us, he will become him, she will become her, they will become them, and it will remain unchanged, it will be it only. And if there is a noun, no need to change. You have to put the same noun while converting to passive in the place of object, not subject. Okay, see what we have written. I play cricket. So I is the subject, play is the V1, and cricket is the object. So I told you just now that new subject is the object. New subject, the new subject is the object of the active is the new subject of the passive. So in place of new subject, what I will write here? I will write here cricket. 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 Then according to subject we have to use is MR. What I will use for cricket? So definitely is cricket is V3. Play is the verb I just told you before that play, played, played. V1 played is V2, played is also V3. So cricket is played, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played by new object. In place of new subject I have written cricket. Here cricket is the object. I told you that object becomes new subject. So cricket. And out of is MR we have to choose, we have to put a suitable auxiliary. So is play, V3 play, V3 form of play का V3 form of play is V3. Play, cricket is played by, then subject. I told you, then the changes in pronoun I becomes me. Cricket is played by me. Oh, by is there in the question. Okay. We will see another example. We expect good news. We expect good news day after tomorrow. We expect good news day after tomorrow. See, this is also in simple present tense. Because expect it is V1, you have to identify that. Those who are good in tense, they could easily understand it very well. But those who are weak, then also it's not a big issue, because you have to remember the structure of each and every structure of active and passive. If you have a good grip on tense, then it will be much easier for you. We expect good news day after tomorrow. So here the subject is who expect good news? We expect good news. What we expect? If you put question what we expect, the answer is not day after tomorrow or good news day after tomorrow. The answer is only good news. So this is the object. And what is this day after tomorrow? These are other words. Other words which has to be put at the last. If it is there in the sentence, sometimes it put at the last, sometimes it is adjusted in between. Subject plus V1 plus object, if you can put like that, other words. Other words, OW, other words. Similarly, new object, last में other words. Subject V1, object, other words, new subject is MR, V3 by new object and other words. We expect good news day after tomorrow. So as subject is we and the verb is expect, it is in V1 simple present form. Good news is the subject and day after tomorrow is the other words. If you change into passive, then what is the structure? New subject. In place of new subject, what will like? Object will be the new subject. Good news. Interchange of subject and object. Good news is MR, news always takes a singular verb, so is good news is V3 is MR, we have taken is, then V3 what is the V3 of expected? We expected. Good news is expected. Then what is the after V3 by, expected by, then what is new object? By new object, as I told you, we becomes us. Good news is expected by us, and then the other words, day after tomorrow. Good news is expected by us day after tomorrow. Okay? Got it? Can you move to the next tense, that is present continuous tense? Can you move? I told you that we will continue with the same example in all the tenses, and apart from that we will do one or two example of each. Okay, let's move if you want to if you want me to give one more example, then also it is possible. We can do two examples of each. It is number 1, number 2, number 3. People regard science as a branch of philosophy. People regard science as a branch of philosophy. Okay. Subject is people about whom we are talking about. Okay. What people regard? The answer is science. So science is the object, and regard, it is in V1. Again we are continuing with simple present tense, so I am giving only the examples of simple present. So people regard science as a branch of philosophy. This is other words. Okay. Now if you will change into passive, it will be new subject, means object becomes new subject. Science is regarded. Regard, V3 form of regard is regarded. As a branch of philosophy by us. Science is regarded as a branch of philosophy by us. As I told you that the other words can be, we can put the other words in between. So here I have taken the other word. Science is regarded as a branch of philosophy by us. And you can, if you wish, you can also write that science is regarded by us as a branch of philosophy. That is also correct. Okay. So we will now move to the next tense, that is present continuous. The structure of present continuous in active is subject plus is MR plus VING, that is V1 ing VING plus object plus other words if any, plus other words if any. Subject is MR VING plus object plus other words if any, and the passive structure will be new subject is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object plus other words if any. I am writing the short form. NS means new subject and NO means new object and OW means other words. Okay. So subject is in activity, subject is MR plus VING plus object plus other words. Let's take an example. The same example I told you, that I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Okay. Subject C, according to the structure, I is the subject, out of is MR, am is the verb, and playing V1 ing, playing is the ing form, and cricket is the object. If you turn into passive, what will the answer? The answer will be new subject. At the structure, I have written the structure: new subject plus is MR plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object plus other words. So the according to this structure, the answer will be cricket is being played by me. Okay, see how the answer come. New subject is cricket. Okay, out of is MR I have written is, because the subject cricket will take the verb is out of is MR. Being is according to the structure. Then V3, being is according to the structure. Then V3 is played. V3 for play. V3 form of play is played, and by is with the is there in the structure, and then me is the subject, which becomes object in basic. Okay, understand or not? Let's do one more question. They are driving. This is 1, this is 2, they are driving a motor car in the busy street of Kolkata. They are driving a motor car in the busy street of Kolkata. Okay, my handwriting is very poor. Please spare me for that. Okay. They are driving a motor car in the busy street of Calcutta. See, the structure is according to the active subject. They is MR R, because they is the plural. Plural they is in plural form, so it takes a plural verb R. Driving ing form of drive. A motor car is the object, and in the busy street of Calcutta is the other words. So while converting in the passive, we have to remember the structure and just convert it. New subject is, what is the subject? They is the subject, as I told you. Are driving is the verb. A motor car is the object of the sentence. So while changing to passive, what you will write? A motor car. Then what is there in the subject? Is MR. A motor car is being, because motor car is singular, it will take a singular verb. Here they are, because they is a plural verb, that's why it's taken the plural verb. They is plural, that's why it has taken a plural verb, and here a motor car is singular, so a motor car is being driven. Drive, drove, driven. Okay, driven by them in the busy street of Kolkata. Clear? A motor car is being driven by them in the busy street of Kolkata. Correct? We will move to the next. Past continuous, then present continuous, then present perfect. Present perfect. I will rub down the second example and make some changes in the first one. So I am playing cricket, instead of that what I will write? Subject plus V3. I have played cricket. The basic structure is new subject plus has, have plus been. In the present, in the continuous form it is being, and in the perfect form it is been. Has, have plus been. New subject has, have plus been plus V3 plus by plus new object. Okay, here you don't have to, because the question, in the question active, V3 is in active, so you don't need to change the verb. The same verb you can use. So I have played cricket. Played is in V3 form, so you don't have to look out for a V3 at that side while changing to passive. I have played cricket. Subject is I. Have played is the verb, and cricket, which is in present perfect tense, which is in present perfect tense. Okay, and cricket is the object. So what will be the answer now? The structure we have written there: new subject plus has a plus been plus V3 plus by plus new object. So new subject cricket. Cricket has been played by me. Cricket has been played by me. Okay. Cricket has been played by me. See the changes. Cricket object becomes subject, and I becomes me, the object, and has been, it is there. Has and have plus been, has been, has have plus been. So I have taken has been because cricket is singular. Once again, cricket has been played by me. Okay. One more example. I have not broken the window pane. I have not broken the window pane. See, once again subject is I. Have broken, but not is there. Have not broken is in present perfect. The verb is in present perfect, and what is the object? The window pane is the object. So if you will change to passive, the window pane, the answer will be the window pane according to the structure only. New subject, the window pane, the window pane, the window pane, it is singular, not panes. So singular is there, so the window pane has been, has not been, because not is there in the sentence, negative sentence, it is a negative sentence, so you have to mention not. Has not been broken. You don't have to look for V3 because V3 is there in the question. The window pane has not been broken by me. I becomes me. Okay, as per the changes in pronoun, the window pane has not been broken by me. Okay, present perfect, over, clear. It is nothing but according to the structure only. You have to find out the subject, object, and the which tense it is. Then it will be much easier for you. Okay. Next is then present perfect continuous, active. Subject plus has a plus been plus V1 ing VING plus object. So then the sentence, the same sentence, if you will write, I have been PLAYING playing cricket. And what will be the passive? It is no change. Okay. So remember, in case of present perfect continuous, the voice will remain same or no change. Okay, so active form is, active voice is there, but we don't have a passive voice of present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, we don't have a passive voice of past perfect continuous tense. We don't have a passive voice of future perfect continuous tense and future continuous tense. So out of 12 tenses, we don't have passive form of four tenses. That is present perfect continuous, we don't have any change, no change. Past perfect continuous, no change. Future perfect continuous, no change, and future continuous also no change. Okay, we don't have the passive form of these four tenses. So now I have completed the present. We'll go to the past now. Past simple. The structure of active is subject plus V2 plus object and the other words if any. Subject, V2, object, other words. Okay. What is V2? V2 is the simple past tense of verb. How it is formed? The second form of verb, most of the time it is formed by adding D, Ed or T to it. Most of the time, but sometimes it wholly changes. Okay. Take an example, the same example. I, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played cricket. I played cricket. The passive form is new subject plus. In case of active it was is, am, are, and in case of passive it is, in case of past tense it is was and were. In case of present tense it is, not active. In case of present tense it is, am, are. In case of simple present tense, so in case of simple past it is, in place of is, am, are we have to use was and were. Was or were. Was, were, new subject plus was, were plus by V3 plus by plus new object. Okay, I played cricket. What will the answer? Cricket was played by me. Okay, cricket was played by me. One more example. The doctor declared him unfit. Okay, the doctor declared him unfit. Subject, the doctor is the subject, declared is the V2, object is here only him, not unfit, because who here, see what the doctor declared, I am not getting the answer. Whom the doctor declared unfit? Him. So him is the object. Whom I told you that whether you have to put question by using what or whom. Here if you ask question whom the doctor declared unfit, the answer is him. So this is the object. So if you turn this him to the new subject, he, it becomes he. He was declared unfit by the doctor. He was declared unfit by the doctor. Correct? The doctor declared him unfit. Subject, V2, object. If you change it, new subject is he, him becomes he. Was where we have taken was, V3 is declared. Declared and declared. V2 is also declared, V3 is declared. That he was declared unfit by the doctor. Unfit is the other word. I have told you can use it anywhere according to the sweetness of the sentence. You can say sweetness of the sentence, we can use it in the last or in between. So this is an example of past simple. Two examples we have written. It is nothing else. It will continue like this as per present tense. See, past simple. Now we will do past continuous. Past continuous. The structure is subject plus was, were plus VING plus object. Subject, was, were, VING object. The structure is new subject plus was, were plus being plus V3 plus by plus new object. Okay. Example, I was playing cricket. Answer will be C. I was is the verb, playing is the VING, object is cricket. Cricket was being played by me. Okay, got it. One more, the gardener was plucking flowers from the garden. From the garden. Subject is the gardener, verb was plucking, flowers is the object. Okay, the answer will be flowers. As per the structure, flowers, as it is in plural, so not was, we have to take where. Flowers were being plucked by the gardener from the garden. Okay, flowers are being plucked by the gardener from the garden. Next we will continue with the past perfect. Okay, understand? We will go to past perfect. The same example, first of all the structure, new subject plus had plus V3, not new subject, subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example, the same example, I had played cricket. New subject plus had plus been plus V3 plus new object plus by plus new object. I had played cricket. Subject is I, had is there, played is V3 and cricket is object. New subject cricket. Cricket had been played by me. Not at all difficult. If you catch one of the tenses, that is present, present simple, present continuous, present perfect, the same thing will be applying in past. Just the difference is you have to change the present verb into past verb. Nothing, and the thing, no more changes. We have to use V3. One more thing is V3 is for whole turning of active to passive, we have to use only V3. Okay, cricket had been played by me. Then next one is past perfect continuous. I subject plus past perfect. I have not given one more example. Okay, let it be. Subject plus had plus been plus VING plus object. Okay, the sentence as past perfect continuous active form is subject plus had plus been plus VING plus object. The same example, I had been playing cricket. I had been playing cricket, and I have told you that in case of past perfect continuous, in the passive form there is no change. No change. Okay. Now we will move to future. Simple future. Structure subject plus shall will plus V1 plus object, and in case of passive, new subject will or shall plus B plus V3 plus by plus object, new object. Okay, the same example will continue. I shall play cricket. I is the subject and shall will, I have taken shall play, V1 is the play and cricket is the object. So the answer will be cricket, new subject, subject, object. So new subject is cricket. Cricket will be played V3 by me. Okay, cricket will be played by me. Okay, this object becomes the subject, then will shall, we have taken will, then according to the structure B is there, then V3 played, then by, and I becomes me. Okay, one more example. I shall buy this house next year. I shall buy this house next year. Okay, if you will change into passive, what is the subject? I, again shall buy is the verb. What is the object? This house, and next year is the other word. So the answer will be this house will be bought. V3 of buy is bought. This house will be bought by me next year. simple future. Just putting the formula and getting the answer. If you understand once, then it will be forever, you will remember this. Then future continuous. As I told you earlier that we don't have the passive form of four tenses. One is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous and future perfect continuous. But we have the active form of future continuous. Subject plus shall, will plus VING plus object. The same sentence which we, if I continue, then it will be I shall be, shall, will plus be plus VING. I shall be playing cricket. Shall, will plus be plus VING plus object. I shall be playing cricket. The passive form is no change. Okay. Future continuous. Then future perfect. Future perfect. Subjects in active, the structure is subject plus shall, will plus have plus V3 plus object. The sentence will be the same sentence if you will continue. I shall have played cricket. I shall have played cricket. Then in case of passive, the structure is new subject shall, will plus have been plus V3 plus by plus new object. Then it will be, the answer will be I is the subject, verb and object. Cricket will have been according to the structure, will have been played by me. Cricket will have been played by me. Got it? According to structure, new structure, shall, will plus have been plus V3 plus new object. So it will be cricket is the new subject, then shall, will, we have taken shall, will, then have been according to the structure, played, V3 form of play is played, then by and me. Okay. So this is past future perfect. One more example if you want I can give. The farmers will have harvested. The farmers will have harvested the crops the farmers will have harvested the crop. The farmer is the subject, will have harvested is the verb, and the crops is the object. The answer will be the crops will have been harvested by the farmers. As the farmer is a noun, so no change. Farmer, we have to use farmers only, but the changes what we have done is we have added just be. Shall according to the structure, new subject, shall will plus have been plus B3 plus by plus new object. So the object is crops. The crops will have been, structure according to the structure, will have been harvested B3 plus by plus new object the farmers. Okay. So future continuous, future perfect, and one is left, future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous, there is no change, but we'll write the active form. Subject plus shall will have been plus VING plus object. The sentence will be I shall have been playing cricket. And the passive, it is no change. Okay, passive, there is no change. So we have started from simple present tense, then continued, and we have ended with future perfect tense. So all the 12 tenses are covered. In the next class we will move further and do the voice changes on with interrogative sentences and sentences with double objects, with imperative sentences, sentences where preposition, where with along with preposition, likewise. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the class. Meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.